Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change the video post quality on the X, or Twitter, app using your PC, all thanks to the new update that makes it simpler and more customizable than ever. Let's jump right in. First, open the Twitter app on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can easily access your feed or profile. Once the app is open, scroll through your timeline, or visit the account that posted the video you want to watch. When you find the video, move your mouse over it to bring up the playback options. You'll notice a few icons appear at the bottom of the video. Look for the small gear icon, that's the settings menu. Click on it to open the new video settings panel introduced in the latest update. Inside the panel, you'll see an option labeled Video Quality. Click on that, and a list of available quality levels will appear. Depending on the video, you might see options like 240p, 480p, 720p, or even higher resolutions if available. Now choose the video quality you prefer. If your internet connection is fast and stable, selecting a higher quality will make the video sharper and more detailed. If your connection is slower, or you want to save data, go for a lower quality instead. Once you've selected your option, the video will automatically reload in your chosen resolution. This new update lets users have more control over playback settings directly from the PC app, rather than being stuck with auto-adjusted quality. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference, especially for people who love clear visuals or need smoother playback on slower networks. So that's it. You've just learned how to change the video post quality on the X Twitter app on your PC. Try it out yourself and see the improvement in your viewing experience.